Hello everybody, in this short video I will explain a little bit about this laptop stand. You can place your MacBook on this stand or any Windows laptop, whatever you have. You can also use it for iPad. Similar stands are available for mobile phones as well. You can check this product on Amazon. I'm in China, so here it is only $3 or $4 maximum, and it's a good quality one. Stand is adjustable. You can just place it here and put pressure. It doesn't gonna go anywhere. And you can also make it upside like that if you wanna have this position. That's it. You just bring your laptop here, place on it and open it, start working. Adjust it according to your height and desired position. Yeah, like that. You can adjust it in multiple ways, like this one. That's it, like a knife or a dagger. And if you open it like that, and now you can adjust it according to your choice. Yep, like so, and make it smaller as well. If you have an iPad, you can adjust the length and the height as well. So it's very convenient. Just $3, guys. I'm not sponsored, by the way, by this stand, but yeah, if you want to get, you can get it. I will paste the link in the description. You can go follow along and get it. Yep. Let's go to the next country with this one. And open, start working, no matter you are in a coffee shop or wherever. That's it. It's very simple. You can bring this one in your bag and it's very convenient. Your hands stay calm and you can just like start typing there easily. Here is the screenshot. You can get it from TaoBao if TaoBao is working globally. If not, then you can use Temu app or Amazon as well. So thank you very much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.